Hi, I'm Maria. I'm 30 years old. I'm living in Bahrain and I work as a teacher. I came to know about Nano Swimming Center through social media. I was searching for a trainer offering swimming classes, and this is my 5th lesson today. I'm very happy about the classes. The trainer, she's professional and she's an expert in her classes. She is flexible with the timings, even the explanation, she is ready to repeat again and again. And even the small details she tells, why we are keeping our hand like this, why we are breathing. So we understand everything. And also she gives us exercise to do at home and for practice. So after the lesson, we also feel confident and we feel we did better. So swimming has a lot of health benefits. It is good for our muscles, for our heart. We can sleep well. And also if we want to lose weight, this is a very good exercise. For all people, even from small to old people, this is a very good exercise, and even our health overall, it will improve. Thank you, Coach Nano, for improving my skills and my confidence. Thank you so much.